Hello YouTube, Chachi back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix the volume increase and decrease by itself, or the volume automatically goes and up and down on the Windows computer. So this solution will work for any Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system. And in this video we are going to cover a solution from basic to advanced. So now let's start on how can we solve this problem. So solution number one will be go to the search bar on your computer or on your Windows computer and type control panel. So after you type the control panel, here the control panel option availed. So open the control panel, and in the control panel you will find lists of devices. So if you cannot find your control panel like this, just click here the view by section and make it as large icons. So after you get large icons, then click on the sound option. So select the sound option. So as you click the sound option, you will get this pop-up. So on this pop-up you will find speaker and headphones option. So in my case I'm using my speaker, so I'm going to click the speaker and I'm going to select the properties, or else you can right click on it and select properties. So after you select the properties, then you will find here different options: general, level, enhancement. So if you cannot find enhancement, I have a video that I have done on how to get back the enhancement tab on your computer, so you can watch from the cards or under the description box. I'm going to put on how to get back the enhancement tab. So if you have the enhancement on your options, select enhancement, and as you can see I already disable all enhancements. Select disable, which is select this checkbox and select here apply, and also select here OK. And also after you do that, select on the communication section and select do nothing option here. Select do nothing and again select apply and again select OK. Then close the control panel and click on the Windows icon and restart your computer. After the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. But if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution will be checking for Windows update. So type here under the search box update, and you will find here the check for update or update settings. So select that, which is the option update, and check for Windows update. So sometimes if your Windows is not up to date like me, as you can see here today, in this time that I already updated my computer, so check whether there is an update or not. So if there is an update, download those updates and install them on your computers, because updates or not having the intended update can also cause the problem. So Windows update can also be the cause for volume increasing and decreasing automatically by itself. So after you finish the update, then restart your computer. And if the Windows update is not working, the other option will be troubleshooting, which is the troubleshooting is again type on the search box troubleshoot. So after you type troubleshoot, you will find the troubleshoot setting, then open the troubleshoot setting. So after the troubleshoot setting opened, you will find additional troubleshooters on the bottom, or search for additional troubleshooters. So open the additional troubleshooter, and here you will find under the additional troubleshooters playing audio section. So select the playing audio section and select run the troubleshooter. So it's detecting problems related with playing audio. So checking audio service status. So it's trying to find the problem related with the volume goes up and down problems. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed. And here different options are available. So if you are using the headphones, select the headphones. If you are using a speaker, select the speaker that you want to check. So in my case, I am using the speaker, which is the Realtek R audio speaker. So I'm going to select, after I selecting that, I'm going to select next here. So we already done the sound effect and enhancement already done. So no, do not open the audio enhancement and proceed. So troubleshooting cannot identify any problem, but in your case it may find a problem related with your volume goes up and down problem. So it may fix the volume up and down problem. Then the other solution will be opening the service section on your computer. So again, go to here the search box and type services. So after you type services on the search box, then open the service section. So here under the service section, different services will be available. So find for Windows audio under the bottom section, which is, let's scroll down to the bottom, which is for the W section. Yes, here W started. Then we are going to search for Windows audio. Here the Windows audio is already available and it's running, it's automatic. But in your case, it may not be running or automatic. So click on the Windows audio, then right click on it and select properties. So after you select properties, make sure the startup type is automatic. So from a list of drop down options, select automatic and make sure the service status is running. If it's not running, select start and click apply and select OK here. In my case, it's already startup type is automatic and it's running. So do this and close the Windows audio properties. Then after that, close the service section and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is still occurring, the final solution will be updating your audio driver. So in order to update your audio driver, click on the search box here and type device manager. So after you type the device manager, here you will find the device manager option. Then open the device manager and you will find different drivers under the device manager section. So select on the bottom section, which is the sound video game controller here, which is click on the arrow and find for the Realtek audio driver. So select the Realtek audio driver, which is select this one and right click on it, or else it may be a high definition audio device. In my case, it's Realtek. In your case, it may be a high definition audio device. So right click on it, then select update driver. So after you select update driver, then select search automatically for drivers. So it will search for pre-installed drivers on your computer. So wait until the installation will be completed. Here it finished updating the driver and it successfully installed the driver. So close this one and it's asking me to restart the computer, and I'm going to click yes and restart the computer. So we are here after the restart. Now check whether the automatic volume up and down goes is solved or not. So this will be the final solution for this video, and thank you for watching. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and press the bell button in order to get my new uploads. Thank you for watching. For today, Chachi out.